Welcome to IFE. I fix everything.
Today's project is to repair the tension strap on this RV door. The wind caught it and pulled the wood screws free from the frame. Before I can remove the screws, I'm going to release the tension from the strap. With the screws removed, I'm going to slide the bracket down out of the way to access the stripped holes. To repair the holes, I bought a 3/16" dowel. To get a clean, crisp hole, I'm using a 3/16" brad point drill bit. To prevent the drill from going too deep, I bought a set of drill stop collars, and I'm setting the collar depth to the length of the screw threads. Hold the drill level and drill slowly, and the brad point will self-center in the hole. I seated the dowel and marked it for length, then inserted the opposite end and marked the other hole. This allows me to measure them both at once without measuring errors. Because I don't have room to cut the dowel later, I am using a tubing cutter to snip the dowel at my marks. Apply a thin coat of glue to the dowel. Extra glue will not allow the dowel to seat. I tapped on the area with the hammer to recompress any loose wood fibers in the glue. I let the glue dry for several hours, then I repositioned the bracket. I switched to a 1/16" drill bit with a stop collar and a much smaller drill, and used the bracket as my template for my pilot drills. This made installing the screws in tight quarters much easier and assured they went in straight. With the screws tight, it's time to do a tug test and be sure. Thank you for watching this video on how to repair stripped wood screws.